The Babycare Folding Mommy Bag is a versatile and practical solution for busy parents on the go. As a parent myself, I understand the importance of having a reliable and spacious bag that can accommodate all the essentials needed for my baby. One of the standout features of the Babycare Folding Mommy Bag is its foldable design. This feature makes it incredibly convenient for storage and travel. The bag easily folds down into a compact size, allowing it to be tucked away in a suitcase or stored in a small space when not in use. The bag offers ample storage space, with multiple compartments and pockets that can hold everything from diapers and wipes to bottles and extra clothing. I found the organization of the bag to be excellent, as it allowed me to easily find and access the items I needed without having to dig through a messy bag. The inclusion of insulated bottle pockets is a thoughtful addition, as it helps to keep bottles at the desired temperature for an extended period. Durability is another aspect where the Babycare Folding Mommy Bag excels. The bag is made from high-quality materials that feel sturdy and robust. I appreciate that the zippers are strong and smooth, ensuring that they won't break or get stuck with frequent use. Comfort is an essential factor for any parent carrying a bag for an extended period, and the Babycare Folding Mommy Bag doesn't disappoint in this regard. The adjustable shoulder strap is padded, which helps distribute the weight evenly, reducing strain on the shoulders. The bag can also be conveniently attached to a stroller, allowing parents to free up their hands when necessary. Overall, the Babycare Folding Mommy Bag is a practical and reliable choice for parents in need of a versatile diaper bag. Its foldable design, ample storage space, and durability make it a standout option in the market. Despite a few minor areas for improvement, this bag offers great value for the price and is sure to make parenting life easier and more organized.